La 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 la.
राहुल राहुल
तन के साथ मन को जगाओ वी-गार्ड वाटर हीटर्स के संग वी-गार्ड.
Members of the Hynniewtrep National Youth Federation, HNYF, in East Khasi Hills were detained by police after they attempted to block Assam-registered vehicles from accessing tourist spots beyond Umtyngngar on Friday. Sohra, Dawki and other famous tourist spots in Khasi Hills are beyond Umtyngngar. Upon receiving reports of the blockade, the Sohra subdivision police rushed to the scene to negotiate with the HNYF members and urge them to allow the vehicles through. When the talks failed, Special Operations Team (SOT) police from Shillong were called in and subsequently removed the HNYF members in 3 vehicles. 6 HNYF members were detained. It may be noted that the HNYF has imposed a ban on all Assam-registered vehicles in the Umtyngngar area, demanding that the government introduce a policy to restrict the traffic of non-local vehicles carrying tourists.
Ada program ada program